Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay, as from the title you must be already knowing that I am going to tell something about this Dove original Dove roll-on. Okay, and this is not a sponsored video. This is something I use regularly and I thought it would be great to share with you guys. Like, it is something like you should know. Yeah, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so this is Dove roll-on and it is 50 ml. It is 0% alcohol and it is 1/4 of moisturizing cream. So this is how it looks. It is something small than my palm. Okay, so what is this? Like this, when we open like this, it has a twist. The packaging has twist, and when we open it has something like this, like a pen type. Yeah, and see, you can apply this way. See, and it gets dry very soon, but the smell is really good, and the best part is that the smell remains 24 hours. Like, it does remain. Like, if I apply in the morning, it is there till night, till I take bath. You have to apply this under your underarms, and it states that it is 0% alcohol, so it will not make your underarms black. And I have been using this since last like a year, and it is working amazing, and my underarms are not even black, so it's working. Do guys do go and try. This is really amazing. You may get this on Amazon, and it's amazing. You must try once. If you have that problem like हमेशा smell आता है from your underarms, or you are not that confident, then just apply once and you will be confident. Like, you yourself can feel your underarms fresh. So yeah, it is working, and this is not a sponsored video. This is something I use, and this is something I would love to share with you guys, because I used to have a problem. I used to apply, like, I used to get scared of my underarms getting black if I use a roll-on or something. I don't apply deo, and I was literally scared. Even a talcum powder, I don't know, it looks cheap. It doesn't look good, right? And if you're wearing sleeveless, that is seen. So this is something great. Like, I just loved it. It is amazing. It's a big thumbs up. Yeah, that was all for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want me to try something else, something new product, or you got something new to see with me, then just give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.